Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can use your KFC coupon code and KFC rewards in the KFC application. One of the options of course is if you go to a KFC, they can in store also redeem your coupon code, but if we're doing this online, what you'll have to do is on your KFC application, first of all, on the right bottom corner you'll go to more. Once you're at more, you will see all of these options, but at the third option, you will see rewards and offers. Now, offers are basically what KFC offers you, whether that be deals, discount on specific meals, etc. And rewards will be your coupon codes which you can use to add a discount to your order or give you any other benefits while ordering KFC. So, what you'll simply do is you'll press on rewards and offers, and when you press on rewards and offers, you'll get an option to enter your coupon code. Now, whichever coupon code you have, if you have the C3485 coupon code or any other coupon code, you will enter it and then you will press. After that, the coupon code will successfully be saved in your KFC, and whenever you're making an order, that coupon code will be automatically applied to your order. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.